back to Simply Food Recipes. Today we are making classic ham and vegetable aspic roll. It looks fancy, but it is actually really simple. Start with the brine. Add about 2 cups of water to a pot. Then season it with salt, sugar and little vinegar to your taste. You are going for that slightly sweet and tangy balance here. Keep in mind, when it cools, the flavor will be milder than when it's warm. So don't be afraid to make it a little stronger at this stage. We are also adding some bouillon powder for the extra depth and flavor. Give everything a good stir and heat it on medium until it's fully combined and nicely dissolved. Prepare your gelatin according to the package instructions. I'm adding a little extra here just to make sure it holds its shape really nicely when it sets. When it's ready, add it to the warm brine and start mixing. Keep stirring until the gelatin is completely dissolved. You don't want any lumps left. Take your time here, this step really makes the difference. You are looking for a smooth, clear mixture that will hold everything together perfectly. Cut the ham into slices, not too small, not too big. You want nice bite-sized pieces so it holds together but it still looks good when you slice it later. As you add it to the bowl, gently separate the pieces with your fingers so they don't stick together. This helps everything mix more evenly and keeps the texture nice in the final roll. Drain the roasted red peppers really well, then cut them into strips or small pieces. Try to keep the pieces similar in size so everything mixes evenly. Add them into the bowl with the ham. They not only add a bit of sweetness but also give a really nice color so it looks great when you slice it later. Just gently spread them around so they don't sit all in one spot. Drain the peas and carrots really well, so you don't water down the gelatin mixture. Then add everything straight into the bowl. Try to spread it out a little so it mixes evenly with the rest. Once the gelatin mixture cools down a bit, add a couple of ladles into the bowl. You don't want it too hot here, just warm enough so it stays liquid. Now gently mix everything together. Make sure every piece gets nicely coated. This step really helps everything hold together later. Take your time and fold it through so nothing gets crushed, and the mixture is evenly combined. Now it's time to fill the casing. Some casings come with one end already machine closed, but I still like to tie it with a string just to be safe. If yours isn't closed, make sure to tie it really well so nothing leaks out. Now start filling it. Add a couple of scoops of the ham and veggie mix, then ladle of the gelatin and repeat. This helps avoid dry spots and keeps everything nicely balanced. When it's filled, place it in the fridge. If it's not holding its shape, after about an hour, gently roll it to a different side. Repeat this a few times as it's set. This way you will get a nice round shape instead of flattening on one side. Let it chill for at least 24 hours. Then just slice it up and serve it with baguette or something similar. Simple but really satisfying. Don't forget to like, share and follow for more easy recipes. And if you have never tried something like this before, this is a fun one to start with. Simple, but it always surprises people.